Anti-4.
Why are you shaking him? Oh wait, you're not. Okay, it was the fish. No, it was the fish. It was the fish. My bad. We need to do one box. Who hit a box?
You did.
And who said that?
White rice, shrimp. Me.
You.
Connor said that.
You. No, I'm over it. I'm literally over it. Who is sabotaging? Who is sabotaging? Who is sabotaging? Between one of you guys are
sushi time, I guess.
one of you guys are sabotaging. Say I hit a box, so I'm getting pissed. So I'm shooting. You did, Violet.
I saw you walk back with the
Pardon?
You hit a box.
Yeah. Come here, bitch.
I am coming. I am coming.
I trust you.
Oh, are you coming?
Right. At one point, you walked past me, right, like this.
Yes.
I'm better singing.
Yes. You know what?
Hit him in here.
Oh, well, Violet, you want to know something? Look over here, you dumb cunt. I put this box in, you dumb bitch. I put this box in, you dumb bitch. And I ran out of this room singing Christmas songs.
I hit the box.
You whore! You're a literal whore! You deserve death!
I hit the box.
You deserve death!
You're a
Like,
shit
at the start of the game.
I
But he's
have
got
a
a valid
question I want
point.
to say to this. Does she know exactly who I'm talking about? He's still friends? No. 100% no. 10,000% no. I know exactly who you're talking about. No. Absolutely hate
Yeah,
him.
same.
If you
Same, I
know,
agree.
if you know the drama of what's happened, that's why. But
agree.
also, if you don't know the drama, I am more than happy to fill you in on the drama if you want to know. If you want to know, because I don't want to go spreading around drama, but at the same time, I can't because my community.
Can I know?
Connor, can you actually? Like, my community was being affected by it because he was begging for money. This guy was begging for money. He was, and a lot of my community is intertwined with his community, and he was begging for money and shit. And I can't deal with that. Where people were like actually fucking giving him money out of sympathy. He was playing the victim card when he was the fucking suspect. Like literally, I can't sympathize with him at all. And a lot of my, as I said, a lot of my community is part of his community. So that's why I had to do my announcement. I did my announcement in Discord because I just couldn't deal with my community being a part, like being getting what you call it, like deceived like that. I did not like that. So I had to do that announcement. And the people who supported him, no, get the fuck out. Because if they knew what he did and supported him, I did not want him in my community. I don't care if I lost hundreds of people who supported that person. I do not care, but I really do not want to associate with someone like that. Like, I shit you not. Everyone hated Dr. Disrespect. This guy did something worse than Dr. Disrespect. Because it wasn't just talking, it was actions. Wait, who's leaving? Who's leaving?
Oh, Connor's just going to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. That man has never messaged me, and after what happened with that poor girl, we come to get close.
I'm gonna ready up the children because she's ready.
Okay.
People are doing gun raiders.
You know what, Alicia? I'm gonna quickly just send you what I've been sending other people that also have their community intertwined with me. But I'm just letting you know, I don't want to spread drama. However, I just can't deal with that guy anymore because personally, he's playing the victim card. He's playing the victim card, but I'm gonna send you exactly what I was sending other people.
For me. My friend peeks.
In case you, I know you are, I know you are in the loop, but I don't know how much in the loop you are. Am I friends with you, Alicia? Let me see. Maybe I'm not. So he did something worse than Dr. Disrespect, Mouse. That's all I'm going to say. He did something worse than Dr. Disrespect, and I can't deal with people who are like that. I'm in streamer mode. Why am I in streamer mode? No. Honestly, Alicia, that is disgusting. Can you actually wait? I'm in your Discord server, I think, right? No. Are you able to just say something in my general chat real quick? I can't seem to find you in my Discord list. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. But if you just type a message in my general chat, I will be more than welcome to send you a friend request and tell you exactly what he did. The money begging, I guess. No. He did something worse than Dr. Disrespect. Yeah, I will say it. I will say it. Worse than Dr. Disrespect. There you go. Thank you. I'm already friends with you. Lol. That is kind of funny. This is exactly what happened. There you go. I've sent you the DM.